Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet phone cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet phone cover is a handmade kit or pouch for a mobile phone that is created using the craft of crocheting, a technique that uses a hooked needle to interlock knobs of yarn or thread. These covers can serve both decorative and protective purposes. People often make crochet phone covers as their projects, personalized gifts, or even to sell on platforms like Stay. Here are some helpful tips if you are planning to make a crochet phone cover. First, choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn is best. It is durable, soft, and does not stretch too much. Avoid fluffy or fuzzy yarns. They can get caught in your phone's ports or buttons. Next, select the right hook size. Use a hook size that gives you tight space so the cover holds in shape and offers protection. Measure your phone. Measure height, width, and depth of your phone. Add a little extra room if your phone has a case on it. Use simple stitches for beginners. Single crochet or half double crochet stitches are great for tight, dense fabric. Next, add functional features. Add button flap for closer, drawstring or snaps for security, straps or loop to hang it or carry it, pocket for earbuds or cards. Customize the design. Try color straps, granny skirts or textured stitches. Add appliques like flowers, hearts or intertails. Test for fits as you go. Slide your phone in as you crochet to make sure it fits snugly, but not too tight. Reinforce the bottom. Double up the stitches at the base, or use tight slip stitches to make the bottom sturdier. Consider a liner. Sew in a fabric liner like felt or cotton to add padding, prevent stressing, keep the yarn from snagging on your phone. Add a keyring or clip loop. Crochet a small loop at the top or side to attach to bags, then cards, keychains. Make it washable. Use machine washable yarn, especially if it is a daily use item. Stick to solid colors or color first yarns that won't bleed. Try Tunisian crochet for dancer and more. Overlook. Explore Tunisian crochet, which creates a fabric similar to knitting. Use stitch markers, especially helpful if you are working in the round or shaping the cover. Helps keep your rows even and avoid mistakes. Create a charging slot. Leave a small opening at the bottom so you can charge the phone while it is still in the cover. Embrace it. Add beads, embroidery, patches, or little charm. Crochet a matching wrist strap or crossbody strap for a back style vibe. Use the stitch pattern for texture. Try using shell stitch for a feminine touch, basket weave for a rugged look, popcorn or bubble stitch for a 3D feel. Add a magnetic closure. Sew in a small magnetic snap under a flap for a clean, secure finish. Personalize it. Crochet your details, a logo or a cute character into the design. Use tapestry crochet to switch colors and draw with yarn. Make matching accessories. Create a small coin pouch, couch holder, or AirPod case in the same yarn style. Use a buttonhole stitch, reinforce buttonholes or openings with a clean double border using this stitch technique. The flip cover design. Crochet a front flap that flips open like a book style phone case. You can even add pocket for cards or cash inside. Make it hairspray. Add it with adjustable strap using lobster claws and tearing. Use color tinted yarn. Let the yarn to the work. Hunting or pretty tinted yarn creates beautiful patterns without having to switch color manually. Add a zipper. Fill in a small zipper at the top for a secure, professional looking finish. Create a clear window. Leave an opening or crochet around a clear vinyl sheet so you can see notifications or use your screen without removing the phone. Add foam padding. Insert a thin layer of foam or felt between crochet layers for added shock protection. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!